This is Cobb from vspr.ai. I'm here to demo some of the new features that we've been working on inside Vesper, as well as sort of give you an overview of some of the recent changes we've made to hopefully streamline the entire process of using our app. So first of all, I'm going to look at the proposed feature. This is kind of new because this actually starts inside the Slack bot. It's exposed to your entire organization, and the point of it is really to be able to collect ideas from your team as they happen on the fly. So say we're hanging out, we've been talking, I just got a new idea. I'm going to go over to my chat, and I'm going to just simply type propose in any open chat window. What this does is this creates a message. It's only visible to me, lets me know that Vesper is going to IM me directly to gather information about my idea. So I can see here that Vesper's gone ahead and asked me what I'm interested in proposing, and it gathers the specifics of my idea inside of a thread. So I've been kind of stewing on a new idea lately, and then asked me for a little bit more information. So lastly, it's just going to give me an overview, and I can see right here if this looks okay. Since it does, I'm going to hit looks good. And what actually happens, this new idea has been added right into Vesper. So just for fun, I'm going to drag this to the top of my list, and as a product manager, I'm going to go in here and start triaging this idea. I like this is actually a pretty good idea, so the first thing I'm going to do, and this is my new UI, is I'm going to add a Slack survey to see what's the cost of this particular idea. So you get an idea here what the Slack survey will actually look like, and add a couple people to it. And then I can go ahead and add a goal to my idea as well. Looking at my ideas, I don't see any ideas that actually reference this, so I'm going to go over and I'm going to create a new goal. So I'm going to add a new goal. This is also the screen you'll see the first time you log into the app. I'm going to add a new goal. So now, when I go to add goals, I can actually see that new goal and add it, and I can add a Slack survey on that specific goal if I want. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Send it to the same group of people, and hit send. And now that we've given it a little bit of time, we can actually go back into Vesper and check out our survey results. This is actually a new feature, a small change that we made. If you've used Vesper before, what you'll notice is we've gotten rid of all those different sliders. Found them a little confusing. We also found that most of the time what folks were doing is going in and setting it either to an average score, a high score, or a low score. So that's exactly what these buttons do. If I click average, it actually sets the score according to sort of the average across all my different survey responses here. So the average cost and the average impact to our goal. If I go high or optimistic, this kind of sets it on the high range according to the standard deviation. If I go low, it goes to the opposite and sets it onto the low range for the standard deviation. So what I'm going to do is actually just go ahead and set it to average and accept my proposal and just move it to the top of my list. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at cobb@vspr.ai. We're always happy to talk about it and always looking for more feedback.